Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Welcome to your Monday. Hopefully you had a nice weekend. Today's August 18th. This is Acadiana Weather Today. A short morning chat on your upcoming weather conditions and how they're going to affect your day. Fair skies out here this morning. Probably will see some widely scattered showers and thunderstorms popping up during the afternoon. Not a lot of coverage today and tomorrow, but it looks like things are going to increase as far as the showers and thunderstorms are concerned as we head toward the latter part of the week. Still watching Hurricane Erin, and a new disturbance coming off the coast of Africa will need to be watched. But first, I want to let you know that storm season never really ends, and it's time to save the stuff that matters. Ritter Consulting Engineers uses Matterport 3D imaging to scan your home or business, which can be used for insurance purposes before and after a storm. They're also revolutionizing real estate, so buyers can tour homes right from their computer. Call Ritter Consulting Engineers at 984-8498 or visit their website. Just a few clouds out here, but generally fair skies. It is warm and muggy. Temperatures running in the mid to upper 70s. Those dew points really not able to drop off a whole lot. And even though we've got a tropical air mass in place, we've got more of a ridge of high pressure aloft that was preventing a lot of the lift yesterday and will still be preventing some of the afternoon showers and thunderstorms later today, allowing our temperatures to get into the mid 90s. As far as your morning commute, doesn't look like you're going to have any issues weather-wise for your morning commute, but there could be a couple of isolated showers and storms a little later this afternoon. And as far as everyone heading back to school this morning, upper 70s at the bus stop under partly cloudy skies. Most of you will see partly to mostly sunny skies this afternoon, but a few thunderstorms will be in and around the area, so do keep that in mind. As far as our local temperatures, most of the area in the mid to upper 70s, a few 80s here and there. And as far as any rain, really not anything local. A couple of sprinkles in the offshore waters. Most of the action is over the eastern part of the Gulf, where we've got a bit of a trough that's going to work its way westward as that ridge of high pressure aloft starts to break down. Of course, there's Hurricane Erin that's moving very close to the Bahamas and will start more of a northerly turn today. The rest of the Gulf waters looks okay, but as Erin kind of cruises its way toward the north, it's going to kind of break down that ridge of high pressure a little bit, and that's why we think we'll see a better chance for showers and thunderstorms down the road going into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. In the meantime, ridge of high pressure aloft and at the surface, but that surface ridge is going to keep things fairly stable. Again, about a 40% chance for a few widely scattered showers and thunderstorms today. Of course, we'll be watching Erin there off to the east, so we'll be lifting northward away from the Bahamas. At this point, it looks like only indirect effects for the Bahamas, as well as much of the east coast, some gustier winds and some rougher seas. Locally, as that ridge is holding on, temperatures are going to stay quite warm. I do expect mid 90s today and tomorrow. Low to mid 90s as we get toward the latter part of the week with more of those showers and thunderstorms popping up. And overnight temperatures aren't going to cool off a whole lot either. Mid to upper 70s expected, which is pretty close to normal for this time of the year. Rest of the Gulf waters, after 98L made its way inland over the course of the weekend, we don't have any issues in the Gulf right now. Hurricane Erin, of course, is producing some much higher winds and seas off to our east, but locally we'll see more of a northerly breeze today, about 5 to 10 knots, and seas only about 1 to 2 feet. So let's focus on Erin real quick. It went to a Category 5 over the course of the weekend, then kind of lost some of its strength for a while. It's back on a strengthening schedule for right now, but once it passes the mid-Atlantic states, they're kind of squeezing in between the Carolinas and Bermuda. It should start to lose some of its strength, so it is still forecast to be a major hurricane, at least for most of the week, and then start to lose some of its strength and move out into the middle and northern part of the Atlantic Ocean as we head into the upcoming weekend. At the same time, there's another tropical wave that's come off the African coast. This has shown some interesting model solutions, particularly with the GFS. The Euro doesn't have it as strong and keeps it a little bit farther to the east, maybe taking a similar track to Hurricane Erin, but the National Hurricane Center now giving that wave more of a medium chance for development here a few days down the road. So it is something we'll keep an eye on. And of course, we'll look at all the different models and what is being suggested on a possible development or path. That will be on Let's Talk Tropics Live today at noon, right here on Acadiana Weather Today. Getting you up to 95 today. Again, a few isolated thunderstorms, about a 40% risk, and more of the same for tomorrow. I think the rain chance hovering there in the 40% range. Those heat index values will be up to about 106 or 107, so just below heat advisory criteria. And then for Wednesday, with a little better chance for showers and thunderstorms, temperatures might be a couple of degrees cooler there with highs around 93 degrees. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana weather today. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on those notifications. And remember, you can hear my forecast daily on Big 102.1, Planet Radio 106.7, and Freedom 95.1. Also, follow my social media pages for any other updates on Facebook and X. And thanks to everyone who's already subscribed to Acadiana Weather Today right here on YouTube. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Hope to see you for Let's Talk Tropics at noon. If not, I'll see you on Tuesday. Have a great day.